Open the glove box. You want to pull two tabs. The one on the right is pretty easy. The one on the left is a bit harder, so take your screwdriver, push it into the slot here and pry out to the left until it pops open. Then there's a cord on this tab hanging on the back. Pop it off the tab and it will retract. It's on a spring here. Next, off to the right and above, there's the panel holding the filters. Take a screwdriver and unscrew the screw if it's there. Next, there's a little tab on the top of the panel. Pull it down and then the panel pulls off. Push on the left filter till you can grab a corner, pull it straight out. It'll be dirty on the top. For the next filter, it's off to the right in the box. Grab it by the corner, pull it out, pull it straight out too. Look at all that stuff. For the replacement filters, make sure down is down for the airflow. Everything's going to come in from the top. Slide the first air filter straight into the box. And as you do this, you'll end up pushing it over to the right once you get it all the way in. For the next air filter, make sure that you've got the arrows pointing down. You'll want to squeeze the tip of this so that it's a bit pointy, so that it'll squeeze in between the first air filter and the edge of the box. Once you've got that squeezed in there, start it in, push it all the way in until it's flush with the other filter and fits all the way inside the box. Next, get your panel, put it in here. It has two tabs on the bottom. They fit into the two slots below the box. Put that in and rotate it up. Then it fits back onto the tab at the top. Push it up and it will hold it in place. Then you can replace the screw at the top. Next, grab the cord on its retractable string, hook it back onto the tab, push the box back in place.